Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Frances Martin, independent administrator with Stampin' Up. And today it's double the fun. We're going to do a double embossing, but I'm going to share you two different ways. Not sure how much you can see on this. This is embossed all at the same time, so you get both imprint pushed down, like the embossing it's pushed down. And here you see one it's pushed down and one it's pushed up. So let's get started. So this is using the embossing mat. You're going to use the platform without the adapter, just the platform, a clear plate. Now to do a regular one like a double mat, what I like to do is place my framelit in my white portion here. Let me make sure you can see that. I lined it up at my first line here between platform Big Shot and Big Shot grunt plate, I guess. So then I know exactly where to put my paper, because this here, the raised part needs to face up. So I placed that about the same proportion on each side there. So that look about right to me. Now I'm going to take my piece. This time we're using, the other one was Coastal Cabana. Right now we're using Fleur de Flamingo. And I know this is about my edge, so I'm going a little bit higher. So my paper measure 4 wide by 4 1/4, 5 1/4. Now that I know this is lined up pretty straight on each side, I'm going to put my post-it note there so my paper won't move. I'm using the blue mat, put it on top, and then my not clear but white plate, and all that come with the embossing tools. Now I'm going to remove this. Let's bring this here, and voila. Now I got my image right here, all pushed up, everything it's raised in my frame, all my lines going in the same direction. Now if I want the other way, what I like to do first is do my flower. So I'm going to keep the flower there, and again I'm going to put that right here. Then I'm going to put a post-it note again. That is just to make sure my paper is not moving when I put my blue mat on top. Then I'm going to put my white. Always the framelit, the side that cuts, so the raised side face up. We think we're going to cut through our rubber, but no, it's designed for this. Now voila. Now I got this. Now what I want the reverse image. So what I'm going to do, it's, so this we know that was facing this way, right? Now I'm going to take this, flip this around. First I'm going to put my embossing in the back. So you're going to take this, so you reverse the paper. So really you don't see that big pop-up, you just see the line there. I'm going to put that there, try to match that the way that I want. I want more center eyes here. Okay, we're going to call that good. Put my post-it note, reverse this again, have to face up. Going to take my blue mat, put it on top, and my white mat, not white mat but plate, and let's see what that does. That should reverse our embossing image. And it sure did. So see, now instead of the line pushing down, it is pushing up. And the flower, the line are pushing down. So that's how I done my double the fun, double the embossing, whatever you want to call it. Here we go, my friend. And again, remember, this is a video, so you can go forward, backwards, and so on till you see, oh, okay, that's what she done. So thank you for watching, and again, for all your Stampin' Up product, visit my blog at FrenchieStamps.com. Bye-bye for now.